Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to calculate hours worked in Excel. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see here on my Excel, I have already the information that we needed, which is the day, then the check-in, check-out, and then the hours worked. But let's say for example that you don't know how to calculate the hours worked, then I have the solution for you. So all we have to do is to go here on the box. So let's say for example we want to calculate this 2 right here. So all we have to do is to type equals if, and then what we're going to do is to put a open parentheses like that, and then we're going to put this box right here, which is E5. Then we're going to put greater than, and then we're going to put this D5 right here. Then the next thing that we need to do is to put a semicolon. We're going to put the value if it is true. So if it is true that E5 is greater than D5, then the computation would be E5 minus D5. And then after that, semicolon. Then in this part, we're going to put the value if it is true. So the computation would be E5 minus D5. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to put another semicolon. So we're going to put this time if the value is false. So we're going to put E5 minus D5 plus 1. And after putting plus 1, we're going to put a close parentheses. And after putting a close parentheses, the next thing that we need to do is to put an asterisk and then type 24. And then after that, just click enter, and then it will now be automatically calculated. And after that, just drag the box right here. And then as you can see right there, this is now the hours worked by your employee. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.